Hello, welcome to another shaving video and review, and today, make it smile, we are with Amazon and an Amazon razor. It cost me less than £3 delivered at Amazon Prime. This is the unboxing. I can't remember what it was called before. There you go. So, Solimo. Okay. Got a tear on this back. It's like a pouch, isn't it? Put it up, open it up, and there you go. Do you like summer is buy a refill pack at amazon.co.uk. I've not even tried the blinking thing yet. Use shaving gel or foam to soften the hair shaving for a smoother finish. Avoid touching the blades, rinse after you blah blah blah. Doesn't mention about having a wash though. Wash your face before you do anything. Right, we'll go through that in a minute. So this is a 5-blade men's razor with refill. Does that mean it's got 2 blades with it? You want me to find out? We're going to never get into. There we go. Christ. It's cardboard, I still can't get into it. There you go, there's a... oh, hang on. No, the answer is no you don't. There's a razor. That's quite substantial actually. But it's a bit chunkier than I thought it was going to be. There's the blades. That looks vaguely familiar actually. This looks... although the handle's different, it's got 5 on it. So, is it balanced? Is it balanced? Sort of. So, lube strip, rubber strip, 5 blades. But is it any good? Right, there's only one way to find out, and that's get my face wet. So when you're having a shave, wash your face first. Don't look at the camera either, look at the mirror. Use as hot of water as you can. And then put the shaving foam on. Only a little squirt. Ta-da! Still using the Nivea thing. It's not too bad. It's not as good as it says it is on the adverts, but they never are they? Never talk when you're putting soap in your mouth, are they? Or no, never spoke. Yeah, you know what I mean. Right then, so here it goes. Very gently. So 3 strokes. Give it a rinse. It's rinsed. It's not too bad. Very light. Keep the blade wet. Don't press. Never press on when you're having a shave. Let the blade do the work. Especially if you've got skin like mine. It's prone for breakouts. To be fair, it's rattling through this. Ow. It just cut my lip. Yeah, I did. I don't know what I'm though. So it's not got... where's it got a trim blade? Oh, it has got a trim blade. Look, just took some air off. Just caught me lip with that. That was my fault, not the blade's fault. I think it's the first time I've ever cut my lip. You know, shave. There you go. First time for everything. So, done. Get rid of that. You know what? It's not too bad. Ordered it off Amazon, so you can't really just pick it up. But if you've got Amazon Prime, they can deliver it within a day. My top tip is try not to cut your lip, which basically means don't talk while you're, yeah, that's nice, isn't it? That's coming up lovely, that. Don't talk while you're shaving. There's something new every day. So there you go then. What was it called? The Solimo razor from Amazon. £3, less than £3 delivered. I think it was a special offer or something. But yeah, it does the job. I'm an idiot because I cut myself with it, but that's my fault. I'm still going to give it a decent 7 out of 10. No, give it 8 out of 10 because it's cheap, but it's quite a sizable beast as well. So, got a fat lip now. Looks like I've been in a fight. So, oh, I love the taste of blood. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, if indeed you still are. Before I go, someone's asked me to do the, if you've got social media, you'll have seen there's a advertisement for a razor on there that's on about how wide the blades are apart, and it's perfect for body hair, and I don't have body hair. But someone's challenged me to buy it and use it on armpit hair, which I've done before. I've got 2 armpits as well, and even downstairs, but I'd have to describe the downstairs rather than showing you. So I'll think about it. If I get enough likes and whatever, I'll do that. But I'm currently bleeding to death, so it may never happen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.